Hey guys, it's Des for T-Mobile, and today we're unboxing the new T-Mobile 5G ready Samsung Galaxy Z Fold2 5G. Let's take a quick look inside the box and check out some of the key features of this revolutionary new folding smartphone. Right off the bat, you'll see that this experience isn't like anything you've ever had before. You're welcome with an insert that talks about how this smartphone changes the shape of the future. Under that, you'll find documentation, warranty information, and a SIM tool. And of course, the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold2 5G. Perhaps we should take a closer look. The Fold 2 features 12 megapixel triple rear cameras and a 10 megapixel front-facing camera. Opening up the Fold, you'll see the beautiful 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 120Hz main screen. The main screen is made from ultra-thin folding glass, and because of this, the Fold can go from smartphone to tablet in just a snap. It never gets old. And on the outside, the cover screen on the Fold 2 is a large 6.2-inch 60Hz display. The Galaxy Fold 2 5G has 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage. It runs Android 10 out of the box. For your security, the Fold 2 has Face Unlock and a fingerprint sensor right here on the side. The Fold 2 takes advantage of all three layers of T-Mobile's 5G. It has a 4,500 mAh battery, and it supports wireless charging and super fast wired charging as well. Now, I don't want to forget to finish the inbox contents. Inside, you also have your T-Mobile SIM card. Make sure you're using the new one that comes in the box. Super fast wall charger, and USB-C charging cable. And there you go, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold2 5G coming to your favorite T-Mobile store and T-Mobile.com. This has been Des for T-Mobile. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for another great T-Mobile video coming up next.